Hey guys, now we are going to see about classes and objects. Okay, so first let's see how we have to define a class. What is class? Okay, so class is user defined. We can say user defined data type. Okay, so here we can store multiple types of data in a wrapped way. Okay, so here I have defined a class vehicle. Okay, so the syntax, the keyword we are using for defining this is the class means we will use class keyword. Okay, so for this public, private and protected, those are access specifier, or we can say access modifier. Okay, so those are all we will see in the next session. So first, let's see how we have to create a class and how we can assign the values inside the properties inside the class. Okay, so first for vehicle I'm going to define a property called vehicle name. You can see, so name is of string type, so I'm giving name. What is the name of the vehicle? Okay, and next we can say how many wheels that have. Okay, so I'm giving integer type wheel. Okay, next we can say um, what is the engine type. Okay, so we can define engine. Okay, so as of now we have three properties. Okay, so class composed of both properties and methods. Okay, so the methods why we are using is to set the value to the properties of the class or to get the value from the properties of the class. Okay, for that we can use getter setter. Okay, so those are all we can define, like can go for source and generate getter setters. I want to create getter setter for three properties I have given generate. Okay, so now we have getters and setters for these three properties. Okay, so this is the class, just we have created a template. Okay, we have created of type vehicle that has three properties: name, wheels and engine. Okay, so this is the class. Now we can create an object, okay, for the class, and we can assign value to the object and we can access value from the object. Okay, so for that we, now what we are going to do is we are going to define another class called showroom. Okay, and this contains the main method, so we can create that. Okay, so now we have created another class called showroom. So here we are going to create an object for the class vehicle. Okay, you can save this. Now I'm going to create a object. So how we can create an object means we have to give the class name, and object is vehicle 1, can give, or I'm giving car. Okay, vehicle car is equal to new vehicle of. Okay, now I want to assign, so this car object has these three properties: name, wheel and engine. Okay, so now we can give the name for that is, so the name we can give the brand name. Okay, we can make it as brand name. So car dot, for object name starts with small case. Okay, uh, car dot set name, I'm just assigning a name, can give Ford. Okay, we are giving the brand name here, and car dot set engine is, we can give 1.5L dragon. Okay, and we can give wheels four-wheeler, so here giving 4. Okay, now we have set values for the car object. Okay, how we can print means we have set the value by using setter, and we can get the values by getters. Okay, space bar, and I am giving vehicle name. Okay, and I am printing car dot get name. Okay, control space, and giving vehicle engine. Okay, I'm giving car dot get engine. Vehicle wheels, car dot get wheels. Okay, now we can run this program. Okay, so we have created a class. Okay, and we have set the properties, and we have defined the getter setter for those properties, and we have created object for the class vehicle, and we have assigned values through setters, and we have printed using the getters. Okay, so this is the basic thing of class and objects. Okay, thank you.